Kayna, what is this? What is this? This is toffee. This is butter crunch. Butter crunch. Toffee. Toffee. Today we will teach you counting with toffee. Shake Kayna. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay. 3. Say 3, 4. Say Kayna. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you learned counting? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do counting. Do counting, Kayna. Yes. Say toffee. 1, 2, 3. Say Kayna 3, 4. Say Kayna 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you learned counting? Okay, good baby. Thank you so much. Do counting. Again. 1, 2, 3. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is butter crunch. What is this? This is butter crunch. Say Kayna butter crunch. Butter crunch.
No.
A B C D. A B C D C D. Have you learned counting, Kayna? Okay, good. Thank you so much, baby. Say bye bye. Say bye bye, Kayna.
Bye, Bobby.
Bye.